Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the six programming languages that likely to be obsolete by 2026. Let's go with the slideshows. Okay, so here we have, are you still using them? So here we have the six programming languages like to be obsolete by 2026 maybe. So first one, that is Perl. So once powerful for the text processing in the web, declined despite Perl 7 replaced by Python and the JavaScript. GitHub usage down by 18%. Next we have a CoffeeScript, simplified JavaScript in 2011-2015. AS6 made it redundant, 92% drop in the NPM downloads. Even creator recommends using JS. So this was the second language. Third, that is Objective-C. Apple's old favorite for iOS, Swift is now dominant. 87% of iOS apps use Swift, used only for the maintaining legacy code. Next, we have the Ruby, loved for the Rails and the elegant syntax, performance scaling issues. Job posting down to 36% in 2021 to 2024. Major companies move to the other stacks. Let me know you are using still Ruby. Visual Basic.NET. Microsoft favors C Sharp now. 64% of the job posting decline. Community shrinking, support warning. Suggested move, that is C Sharp. Now you have to go with the C Sharp rather than the Visual Basic.NET. Next, that is PHP, but the PHP, I don't think so. It will be removed currently, but still see, because everybody says that the PHP is dead, PHP is dead, but still Magento, Laravel, and the WordPress and there is Joomla, Coordinator, such kind of things are already built on PHP, right? So yeah, so powers mode WordPress but losing relevance. 80% 2015, 59% 2024 web shared. Modern dev moved to the JS based stacks. Laravel still relevant but uncertain in the future. Okay. What should you do? Keep using the legacy skills wherever valuable. Start new projects in Python, Rust, Go, and the TypeScript. Focus on the concepts and the syntax. Stay employable while transitioning. Honorable mentions: Kubol, still alive due to the banks. Groovy, fading, Kotlin rising. Haskell, TCL, niche survival only. Final thoughts: languages are just tools, not identities. Adaptability, your most valuable skill is. Stay curious, stay relevant. Okay. So, any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section and let me know like you are still which language you are still using. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.